So this is how you can fix PayPal money on hold. Go on ahead and open up your PayPal and then look for the transaction that is on hold right now. So for example, if someone's sending you a specific amount of money and you can't really get it right now because it's on hold, this is how you can fix it. There are two methods. The first one is confirming the receipt. So if you get this message right here, where you can go on ahead and tap on confirm receipt, you're going to want to tap on that and it's going to immediately transfer to your account. This way, it's going to basically confirm that is this a legal transaction? Did you actually do this? Or do you actually want this? And if you confirm, then it's going to your account. The next method is that PayPal can only hold a specific transaction for 21 days. So after those 21 days, it's going to go straight into your account. It might be within 21 days or at the maximum of 21 days. So, for example, it could be for 10 days, 11, but it won't exceed 21. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you right now. Those two methods really work. The first one is the confirm receipt, and the second one is waiting within 21 days. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.